Bonjour, band members. Today is Tuesday, June 15th. As a personal update, last week I didn't do any videos. There has been a lot of loss that our community has experiencing, and that has occurred in my family as well. And I was on funeral leave, and also I had some family medical issues I was dealing with as well. But here I am today. So we will start off with the COVID updates for the counties. Aiken, last week 1,380, today 1,387. Crow Wing, last week 6,808, today 6,815. Mille, last week 3,112, today 3,114. Pine County, last week 3,349, and today 3,350. For the Mille Reservation band member cases, District 1 and District 2A, 119, and there is no change. District 2, 12, no change, and District 3, 35, no change. And I would like to say miigwech to everyone that has received a vaccination. We appreciate that, and that really makes a difference when we look at our numbers. There is an ongoing vaccination clinic at the Health and Human Services building, and on Wednesdays that is occurring. So you have the opportunity again to do the Pfizer, which is 2 shots, Moderna, which is 2 shots, or you can do the Johnson & Johnson, which is 1 shot. If you prefer the 1 shot, you can show up on Wednesdays at the clinic and walk in and get your vaccination. If you prefer the Pfizer or the Moderna, please call for an appointment. And that number is 320-532-1984. And that is for the 2 shots. And again, just to repeat myself, Johnson & Johnson, if you prefer the 1 shot, you may walk into the clinic on Wednesdays from 8 to 10. The Mille Band, our government center and businesses, we are in the transitioning back to opening up things and planning for more events. I was very excited to hear that the Grand Muck was open. So we can now start to go back to the movies. And I missed that over the last year and a half. My grandchildren and I, we really enjoy going to the movies, and of course our bottomless carton of popcorn that we have while we're there. One of our biggest events that we're always interested in is our District 1 Mille Band traditional powwow. So that is being scheduled for August 20th, 21st, and 22nd. And they wanted me to remind everyone that there is a limited number of camping and RV sites, so it's first come, first service. Make sure you plan to arrive early if you need a spot. The band assembly meetings are live each week starting at 10 a.m. on Wednesdays. And as I had stated earlier, that I am very appreciative of our Secretary Treasurer Sheldon Boyd for opening up the meetings and allowing all band members to attend either in person or by the web live. So it's pretty cool, I think, and I appreciate that. And you will need an email address and your band member ID number. And so there might be some glitches, as always, anytime we do anything new on the website. So please be patient if you're the one that has the issues, but hold on and we will get it resolved for you. So I look forward to seeing you on the live band assembly meetings. Start over. Our Commissioner of Health and Human Services, Nicole Anderson, one of her initiatives and goals is to make sure that there are better updates and better relationships with the community. And so they're working to make sure that you're aware of any community initiatives and any new workshops that are going on. On June 28th, there will be a free diabetes education workshop. There will be some free samples of FreeStyle Libre 2, and that is glucose monitoring. At this workshop, materials and a box lunch will be provided. So if you would like to attend, that is Monday, June 28th, 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. at the Vaccination Clinic, Pine Conference Room. If you're interested in more information, please call Jackie at 320-362-0020, and registration is required. And also, if you want to contact her by email, we will have that on the website. Health and Human Services will be having booths at all community meetings. And so they will be cycling through the various departments. This month, Circle of Health will be at the booths. Today is the World Elder Abuse Awareness Day, and some of the abuse that elders experience is financial, sexual, emotional, neglect, and abandonment. If you suspect abuse, neglect, or exploitation of an elder, please call our Family Violence Prevention Program at 320-532-7793. And we should always work together to put an end to elder abuse. By band statutes, all the commissioners are nominated and appointed, confirmed for 4-year terms. 5 of the positions end June 30th. So there have been confirmation hearings for 5 of the positions, and 3 individuals have been ratified, and they are Peter Nayquonabe, who will be our Commissioner of Administration starting July 1. The Assistant Commissioner of Administration is Marie Costello, and the Commissioner of Health and Human Services is Nicole Anderson. There will be a swearing-in ceremony on June 30th during band assembly. There is going to be an elder picnic bash. So Elder Services is inviting all Mille Lacs Band elders for food, music, door prizes, and fun in the great outdoors. And they have live music by Cadillac Country. So that is June 25th from 12 to 2 p.m. at the District 1 ALU parking lot. With that, I would like to say, have a good day, and I will talk to you soon. Miigwech.